Nan, babaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Hway in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog guys, nandito po kami sa Baliti, San Fernando, Pampanga. And this is another weekend place that you can visit. Actually, this is QUO.mmune.
Yes, actually, makita nyo naman sa likod, napaka-relaxing. At the same time, ito yung another food park na nagbubukas dito sa San Fernando.
Alright, so if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Wow! So this is the place.
Yes.
Let's talk about the schedule.
QUO.mmune is open from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Friday to Sunday only.
I think that's good thing, di ba?
Actually, maganda to after work. Have some picnic, hindi nyo muna problema yung pagkain, marami kang choices dito. And syempre, enjoy natin yung place.
Kina ako mo ning wallet ko, paano sabi natin ka naman something kahit kining baliti, sigigit mo yan, naon sa laba masyadong tao, pero masanting, sabi mga nanganak, malabat ng kanila lumwal, so kung lang lumwal, enjoy naman.
For me guys, this is not the typical food park. Para sa akin, mas malaki yung percentage kung saan you can actually relax. Alright, pasibayo! Sige po, pakilagay namin po. Yaman na rin.
Ang laki nyan din, sir.
Banh mi na sir.
Banh mi, yes.
At din na rin 5 flavors sir.
Okay.
Michael James.
Seafood mukbangin, sir.
Seafood mo kaninya Kenny.
Aida po,
Aida kita. Alright. Guys, this is our table. This is the food. And I think we're just right on time, no? Parang tingnan mo yung sky natin.
Sunset.
Sunset. So this is what you will get dito po, since it's al fresco, it's open air. You get the, the environment, the trees, the clouds, as in close to the nature. Kain na tayo.
Cute.
Look at this. Wow. Dito na ako mag-umpisa. Since meron tayo ditong isaw. In English,
chicken intestine.
Chicken intestine.
Ako before malusaw, yung scramble.
Scramble, another nostalgic food na available dito. Ayun.
Maganda naman dito sa QUO.mmune is since al fresco, pwede nang isama yung mga bata.
Exactly. So, gusto kong tingnan dito guys is yung kanilang sisig. So, this is from Tito A. Tito A's Pulutan. Ayan.
Ako yung kanilang tokot baboy.
Tokot baboy. So, sili.
Actually magandang i-partner to. From Tito A's, yung kanilang merong SNS booze. Ayan Wow.
No, yeah.
Meron tayong mga cold drinks dito. At syempre, hindi na mawawala yung mga hot drinks natin.
So whenever you feel cold, get a hot drink.
Okay.
Whenever you feel hot,
Get a cold drink.
get a cold drink. Mga baka po namin ang umubos. Ayan, for the record. Another place for you to check out, guys. What's your experience, bro?
Ako, syempre, unang-una, napaka-enjoy dito kasi another place pang family. Yan. So, and another place na pwede ko yung mag-dine in dito sa Pampanga.
Yeah. So, guys, if you're interested to know more about this or, check out the place, tingnan nyo po yung fan page that we're gonna be including in the caption. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Hope to see you here.
So, that's it. Thank you for watching Hway in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.